Hey everyone, check out the OMOTON Bluetooth Keyboard for iPad, featuring a unique transparent pink design that shows off its internal structure with a cool backlight effect. This wireless keyboard connects to up to 3 devices at once and lets you switch between them effortlessly with just a button press. It works seamlessly with iOS, Android, and Windows devices, including iPads, iPhones, Android tablets, and Windows computers. The built-in 400 mAh battery provides long-lasting power and automatically enters sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity to save energy. Its ultra-thin, lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store wherever you go. The QWERTY layout includes hotkeys for quick access to your favorite functions. Whether typing for work or play, this keyboard offers a stylish and practical typing experience you'll love. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.